fill my mind up with ideas.
Hey y'all, let's get right into the video. So I already have my brows and my face routine done because I just felt like I wanted to focus this video on the eyes only. However, if you want to see how I do my brows and how I do my face routine, I do have videos of that on my channel and I will leave them in the description box. But starting off with my eyes, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean and I'm just putting this over majority of my lid. This is going to become a base for the black eyeshadow that we're going to put on top of it. Now I'm taking a small crease blending brush and I'm using that to diffuse and blend out the edges of the eyeshadow stick just because I don't want any harsh lines. A lot of times with smoky looks, you want to refrain from making it too harsh. You want everything to be a smooth blend. So I'm just taking the brush to blend it out. As you can see, the color kind of fades and it gets a little bit grayer, but don't worry. Once we pack on the black eyeshadow, it will fix that. As always, the goal of my tutorials is to help anyone who wants to get into makeup and just learning new techniques. So this eyeshadow look is literally just going to consist of the black eyeshadow pencil and 2 other eyeshadows. But now I'm going into my K Cheyenne Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and I'm taking the color Smoke. This is a very pigmented black eyeshadow, which I love for this look, but I'm going to be taking it with a flat eyeshadow brush and just patting on this color. When it comes to matte eyeshadows, you don't want to swipe, you want to pat it onto your lid because what happens when you start to swipe, it can create a chalkiness and patchiness look on your eyes and we definitely don't want that. So always pat, never swipe. Now I'm taking a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and I'm going back into that same palette, but taking the shade Creme Brulee, which is like a medium brown color, and I'm using that to diffuse the edges of the black eyeshadow. So again, I don't want this to be a very harsh look. Even though this is a bold look, I still want the blend to be precise. So I'm just going to use that brown to blend out the edges of that black shadow. Alright, so I low-key lied when I said that this look was only going to consist of 2 eyeshadows, but this doesn't really count. But I'm going into my Morphe 18S palette and I'm taking, I believe this shade is called Moonlight, and I'm just putting this in my inner corner just to open up my eyes a little bit more and just give it some pop. Now I'm taking a NYX white eyeliner pencil to line my waterline, and then I'm going to be smoking out my lash line, the lower lash line, with that smoke eyeshadow that I used to pack on top of my lid. The lashes that I'm using for this video are from the company Flaws and Vanity, and let me just tell ya, I love these lashes. I love how dramatic it makes the look feel. I don't know, it just brings something to the eyes. I love the fluffiness of it. I love the length of it. I just love everything about it. So this is the final look, and yeah, please let me know in the comments how I did, how much you like this look. If you recreate it, please let me know and tag me because I would love to see it. So I just want to thank you all for tuning into my video, and I will see you all in my next one.